Welcome to the demonstration of dynamic redistribution of NPIV logins across UCS Fabric Interconnect Uplinks automatically using Brocade Monitoring and Alerting Policy Suite, MAPS. This demonstration mirrors that of the balancing of UCS server NPIV logins across UCS Fabric Interconnect Fiber Channel Uplinks to a Brocade SAN deployment guide. With Brocade Fabric OS 8.2.1 and later, a new feature is available to rebalance NPIV device distribution to all available FC uplinks from UCS FI as FC uplinks are recovered from a failure or a newly added uplink. This action can be performed manually through the CLI or automatically using Brocade Monitoring and Alerting Policy Suite, MAPS. FOSS also creates an alert to notify users when an imbalance occurs. In this demonstration, we'll walk through the deployment and operation of the UCS NPIV rebalance across Fabric Interconnect Uplinks feature for automatic intervention utilizing Brocade Monitoring and Alerting Policy Suite, MAPS. Our topology consists of a Cisco UCS B-Series chassis with 4 NPIV devices connected to 2 Fabric interconnects with 2 fiber channel uplinks to our Brocade X6 as shown. This topology is intended to cover the most basic scenarios regarding balancing of Cisco NPIV devices. Before we start the demonstration, there are several prerequisites and steps we need to validate. We'll first check the UCS service profile for each of the virtual HBAs and ensure pin group is not assigned. We'll ensure our Brocade X6 is running Fabric OS version 8.2.1 or later as shown. We'll also verify the Fabric Vision license is present. We'll connect 2 Fabric Interconnect uplinks to the Brocade X6 and verify the login of the Cisco NPIV devices in the fiber channel fabric. We'll verify the balance state of the NPIV devices within the fabric as well as the NPIV devices attached to each port. Next, we'll verify MAPS is set to rebalance by utilizing the MAPS config show command. We'll notice currently by the configured notifications that rebalance is not enabled. To enable the MAPS rebalance feature, we'll issue the MAPS config actions command and specify all existing actions in addition to the newly added rebalance action as noted with the re_balance action. We will once again verify MAPS is set to rebalance by utilizing the MAPS config show command, and notice the rebalance action is now listed. We can also enable the MAPS rebalance action from within the Brocade SAN nav management application. From the SAN nav main display as shown, we'll click on the Configurations and Settings icon from the left pane. From within the Configurations and Settings, we'll click on SAN Monitoring, then MAPS Policy Management. From within the MAPS Policy Management switches screen as shown, we'll click on the All Fabrics menu, then we'll select our X6 fabric and click OK. From our X6 fabric, we'll then click the Switch Actions menu and select Configure Actions. From the Configure Actions menu, we'll add a check to the rebalance box, then click Save as shown. Next, we'll start host traffic utilizing a traffic generator from a UCS Blade server. We'll monitor I/O for timeouts with a timeout value of 5 seconds. We will view the port perf show command for slot 3 ports 16 and 17 to verify traffic. Now, we'll disable a Fabric Interconnect uplink and verify traffic via the uplink has stopped. Next, we'll verify the NPIV devices on the down uplink has transferred to the remaining uplink as shown. Now, we'll re-enable the Fabric Interconnect uplink and view the port performance of the re-enabled port. We'll see traffic start to flow via the re-enabled FI uplink. Back at the traffic generator, as we can see here, there's a quick dip in traffic during the balance. However, no errors are present. From the Fabric OS CLI, we'll now verify the Fabric Interconnect uplink device login state and verify that it is balanced. We will also verify the RASLog alert that shows the current value of the uplinks is balanced, as well as the imbalanced state prior to the MAPS auto rebalance occurring. This concludes our MAPS automatic rebalance of NPIV devices through all available Fabric Interconnect uplinks demonstration. Please view our demonstration of a manual rebalance of NPIV devices through all available Fabric Interconnect uplinks utilizing the Brocade CLI.